Hey everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a main ingredient which is used in different delicious dishes like hummus, salad dressing and different desserts. And this is tahini. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot. And click the bell icon to get notified about all the new updates and new videos from our channel, which is completely free. Now let's start the recipe. Into a pan, add in some white sesame seeds and roast it. Mix it continuously so that it'll get evenly roasted. And after 5 to 10 minutes, you can see it slightly changed its color to a light brown shade. You'll also get a very nice aroma. Now turn off the flame and transfer that into a blender. Add some olive oil. Now blend this continuously for 10 to 15 minutes until you get a creamy thick paste like this. Now our tahini is ready. You can store this tahini in refrigerator for up to 1 month. This is one of the main ingredients in the famous healthy dip hummus. Please find the hummus recipe video in our channel. You can also add tahini in different salads. This roasted sesame seed paste gives a good blend for all the salads. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed. Watch more unique videos from our channel GreyPot. Thank you.